हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं जतिन आज आपको करवाने जा रहा हूँ टास्क। इन दिस क्लास वी विल कवर task 2 techniques how to write the task. And firstly, I will start from the how to write the paragraph, how to join the linkers, and for comparison, what type of linkers we should use, and the end, how can we write the paragraph. I will also explain the example, then join my team, join my company, then let's start. Uh, in task 2, firstly we have to write the thesis statement. The thesis statement, we have to agree and disagree. Now I will go for the first paragraph, only first paragraph. How can we write first paragraph in different ways? Just watch. I will give you example after that. We can write the first paragraph in this way, that I believe that, I think that, in my point of view. These are the styles how to write, uh, how to start the line, how to write the paragraph. Now there is also a general statement. Journal statement, we can also start the journal statement with these. Some people believe that, think that, or feel that. After that, another technique, according to some masses, whereas opponents believe that. This is opponents. According to some masses, whereas opponents feel that. You can see the opponents. According to some masses, where another is it is often said that. This is a general statement. Then another thing is that how to start a new paragraph. We can start the new paragraph with the different lines, like there are various reasons behind my point of view. Then another thing, another technique, there are many reasons which influence my point of view. This line has a great impression. There are many reasons which influence my point of view. Then another is also another technique. There are myriad reasons why I believe that. You can also note down all the techniques. Another thing is how, to commence with, to initiate. उसके बाद हमें अगर इंट्रोडक्शन पॉइंट शुरू करने हैं तो उसे कैसे शुरू करेंगे. फर्स्टली, there are a lot of factors which influence my point of view. Firstly, like there is a lot of pollution in the city. There are different factors. Firstly, you will describe first factor here, then you will describe second factor here, thirdly, and this depends on you how many lines you want to write. Another technique, another factor worth mentioning, you can also write in place of firstly, secondly, thirdly. Another factor worth mentioning, another factor to consider, one of the main advantages, one benefit. Then starting a new paragraph. We will start the new paragraph in different manner, like turn towards, on the other hand, as far as concerned. This is for the starting a new paragraph. If you want to continue of the some ideas, like I start the paragraph like moreover these are the another factors which influence it, and something, then we can join the sub ideas like furthermore, in addition to, additionally, similarly, likewise, besides, and lastly, moreover. If you describe the first factor, like firstly, the pollution is caused due to this reason, dot, then you can start another line with that. Additionally, for the continuation of the sub ideas. I will tell you after this, but you can note down the rules like similarly, likewise, besides, moreover, also, not only but also. If you want to compare the two lines, compare the two questions, that some people need a city center, some people need a business center, then how, which one is more beneficial for the society, then you will compare the both of these with the however, whereas, although, on the flip side, in spite of, despite of, conversely, rather. If you want to focus on a particular subject, then you can explain these things, particularly, in particular, especially, in fact. If you want to describe a reason, you can also start the line with due to, because, therefore, since, as, and so, for the reason. If you want to give the example, you can start the line, for instance, to illustrate, to cite an example. This can be exemplified according to experts. To define an end, if you want to describe the end, you want to do the end of the whole passage, then as a result, consequently, hence, thus, this has led to. The last of the every writing, we give the conclusion. How can we start the conclusion line? To conclude, in conclusion. Now let's go with the example. If you note down all the rules, then you can easily understand the question or example which I am giving to you, the task 2. Then let's go with the example. I have a question that many people, that social networking sites such as Facebook have had a huge negative impact on both individuals and society. To what extent do you agree? उसमें वो यह कहना चाहता है कि जो सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स हैं, जैसे कि फेसबुक हो गया या कुछ भी हो गया, उसका नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट है सोसाइटी और इंडिविजुअल्स पे। तो आप इसको किस हद तक एग्री करते हो? This is a thesis statement. That we will start thesis statement from the introduction. Then we will give a point. Introduction and lastly point. Introduction is a social networking sites, for instance Facebook, are brought by some to have had a detrimental effect on individual people as well as society and local communities. However, while I believe that such sites are mainly beneficial to the individual, I agree that they had a damaging effect on local communities. In the thesis statement, I have told you that we can use the I believe that. You can also watch the note which you have written behind that. I have told you that I believe that, I agree that, and whatever I have told something for you. I agree that, इसमें आपको एग्री करना था, एग्री, तो जो मैंने आपको लिखा है वो यहाँ पर हो चुका है. Then go for the second paragraph. With regards to individuals, the impact that social media had on each individual person has clear advantage. You can also start this line, this first line, from this factor that there are a lot of factors which influence my point of view. Then firstly, in the session I have told you that you can start the line with the firstly, secondly, thirdly. Here the firstly, here is the secondly. The rules which I have told you, I am applying here. Then Go for the paragraph reading. Firstly, people from different countries are brought together through such sites as Facebook. इस फर्स्ट लाइन में वो डिसएग्री कर रहा है, लेकिन कंपैरिजन कर रहा है वेयर एस के साथ। मैंने आपको कंपैरिजन में बताया था कि आपको वेयर एस का यूज करना है, वेयर एस का या किसी और चीज का। वेयर एस कर सकते हो इन कंट्रास्ट, हाउएवर, ऑल्दो you can apply these things here. Whereas before the development of technology and social networking side, people rarely had the chance to meet or communicate with anyone outside of their immediate circle or community. Secondly, then he start the new paragraph. Facebook also had a social groups which offer individuals the chance to meet and participate in discussions with people who share common. स्टूडेंट्स ये तो होगी हमारे पास फर्स्टली का, सेकेंडली का और यहाँ पर कंपैरिजन की बात। ठीक है, उसके बाद सबसे पहले इसने थीसिस स्टेटमेंट में अपना एक पॉइंट दिया, इंट्रोडक्शन दिया। सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स फॉर इंस्टेंस फेसबुक हैड टू डेट्रीमेंटल ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल फॉर द सोसाइटी। उसके बाद उसने अपना एक पॉइंट दिया, आई बिलीव दैट। उसने कहा कि ये साइट्स जो हैं बेनिफिशियल हैं इंडिविजुअल्स के लिए, लेकिन मैं एग्री भी करता हूं दे हैड अ डैमेजिंग इफेक्ट ऑन लोकल कम्युनिटीज। ये उसने अपना पॉइंट दिया, इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, ये उसने अपना पॉइंट दिया। इसमें उसने सबसे पहले अपना एक कमेंट दिया कि पॉजिटिव साइड जो थी इसकी बताई। अब जो उसने एक पॉइंट दिया था ऊपर कि डेट्रीमेंटल इफेक्ट्स हैं फेसबुक के, वो किस तरह। तो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट कि टू स्टार्ट द अनदर पैराग्राफ, second paragraph. First is thesis statement, then first paragraph. This is the second paragraph. I have told you that you have to start the paragraph on the other hand. In this session I have told you that starting a new paragraph, so you can start the turning towards on the other hand as far as concerned. We start the paragraph with on the other hand. The effect that Facebook and other social networking sites have had on society and local communities can only be seen as negative. Rather than individual people taking part in their local community, they are instead of choosing to take more interest in people online. Consequently, the people within local communities are no longer forming closer to sportive relationship. इस पैराग्राफ में वही कह रहा है कि फेसबुक की वजह से हम क्या कि हमारा तो जो कम्युनिकेशन गैप है बहुत ज्यादा जो है बढ़ चुका है, और हमारे स्पोर्टिव रिलेशनशिप्स नहीं रहे हमारे लव वंस के साथ। एंड उसके बाद उसने स्टार्ट किया फर्दर मोर का इस्तेमाल किया, इसी लाइन को उसने आगे कंप्लीट किया। Furthermore, he used furthermore here. Society as whole is becoming increasing disjoining and fragmented as people spend more time online with people they are never met face to face, who they are unlikely to ever meet in future. इसमें वही कह रहा है कि लोग एक दूसरे से ऑनलाइन मीट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन फेस टू फेस नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं, और कभी जिंदगी में उनसे मिलेंगे भी नहीं। जाहिर सी बात है कि हमारे पास फेसबुक में बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, काफी कईयों के हजार 500 1000 1500, लेकिन उनका सोशल जो है लाइफ बेकार रहती है क्योंकि वे एक दूसरे से मीट नहीं करते। In the last I have told you that you will give the conclusion. You can start the line with the to conclude or in conclusion. Here he used to conclude. Although social network sites have brought individuals closer together, positive point, they have not had the same effect on society or local community. Local community should do more to try and involve local people in local activities in order to promote the future of community line. Then this is the thing which I have told you in this lecture, that how to join the linkers and how to start the line with the help of the firstly, secondly, furthermore, additionally, likewise, many more. the last, you have to give the conclusion in conclusion, or you can give the example by to cite an example, and many more things I have told you in this lecture. Then in the another lecture I will tell you how to write the essay in detail. Okay students, if you like the video, then subscribe it and like it and share with your friends. This is a free essay writing task.